Welcome back, guys. It's Alon here, and we have another weekly recap of what's going on here on Acorn Productions. Now, to kick things off, we are doing very, very good. At the moment, we're actually doing much better than last week, and actually better than last year. And to top it all off, we're currently actually beating the market for this year. I didn't check if we were doing it last week, sorry. But if you can see here, this is the Vanguard S&P 500, the year-to-date results. So essentially, this is the most simple tracker of the top 500 companies. You know, the S&P 500, when someone says buy the market, you can't outperform the market. This is literally what they're talking about. If you did want to buy something like this, you know, it's called VU, and it's up 24% for the year. Now, obviously, you can see it's less volatile than what we're doing, but honestly, it is volatile too. But you can see it going up nice and steady there. Now, back to our channel. If we have a little bit of a look at our chart, you can see it's a much bumpier ride. Let's do 1 year. It's a much bumpier ride. So this is the chart for this year. You can see it's not exactly smooth sailing. But we are higher risk, higher reward sort of portfolio. You can actually see it in this year and last year if we're looking at it. This year in particular has been quite a bumpy ride. Even when we're getting those positive results, they're coming all at once. Last year was a little bit more stable. But I don't know how it's going to come, guys. It is like that in stocks as well. Sometimes it all comes at once, and it's not actually good to invest straight after everything goes up. You know, jumping on the euphoria. Typically, it's always better to do the opposite of what everyone else is doing in the market. Now, guys, let's give you guys a little bit of an update. Let's filter everything by profit. Since we spoke last time in the beginning of naughty November, Bitcoin has obviously exploded. Bitcoin's chilling at like over 90 grand, comfortably US dollars. XRP has done the best out of all the cryptos. It's pretty much just immediately doubled after like 1 week. To be honest, guys, when I did rebalance the portfolio a few weeks ago, maybe I shaved 10% crypto off, but with the 10% that I did shave off, I did add Coinbase, Tesla, a lot of these other things that have boomed. MicroStrategies has done better than a lot of our cryptos, you know. And keep in mind, even with the cryptos, they have gone down a lot in the past. So even if we do have these gains, all in all, we're really net positive with crypto, because we've already doubled our money, you know, on crypto before the year even began. So it's really been boosting our portfolio for a while now, really helping it out. But essentially at the top here, we have a lot of things that used to be negative. If you look here, algo's been going crazy. Bitcoin, all of these things that were actually negative not too long ago are coming out of the red. Remember, DOT was like down 50%. This is one of the only ones that are still red. Ethereum surprisingly red, but you can see these might change very shortly. They might be out of the red and things might be looking better for them with the way crypto is going. Alternatively, we might also take a bit of profit and rebalance the portfolio a little bit sooner than expected, because things have been going really well, really quickly. The only problem with the rebalancing is we might be, you know, taking a lot of the profit from what's been working, which is how a rebalance works. So you could also slow down your growth if, for example, we take a bit of profit out of crypto and crypto continues to run. We might be losing some of our growth. So I'm not taking anything too quickly, but maybe at the end of the month, or possibly even this week or next, we might consider rebalancing just to lock in some of those profits, put them in safer alternatives. But at the moment, the portfolio, just holdings wise, I like it a lot. I'm really proud of it. I think based on our predictions, we need to stick with our predictions. Based on our predictions, you know, for the past few months, I've been predicting that, you know, crypto is going to have its run. Crypto is going to have its run after the Bitcoin halving, which happened here. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, going on 8 months here. So I honestly believe we're going to have a few good months for crypto. That, you know, if you're looking at crypto going up now, it's probably not too late. But if you're joining now, you probably shouldn't be joining long term. You know, it'd probably be better to just maybe buy a little bit of Bitcoin or something very, very simple, like a tiny bit just reoccurring if you wanted to get into it now. But really, this is something that pays off to get into when no one else is into it, you know, when we're talking about crypto and things like these. Now, Naughty November is only halfway through, guys, so we'll see what it has in store for us. I mean, if it keeps booming, we might have a really, really big month, but you don't want such an explosion on 1 month. You know, we do kind of want a consistent. So if things continue to go this well, we might start, I'll probably definitely start rebalancing the portfolio just to make it a little bit safer for us. So again, we're not in a position where we have too much crypto. And I'm very curious to see what December holds for us, because if it's anything like cheeky little Naughty November, then we're definitely going to be looking forward to it. Now, I've probably rambled on a bit too much, guys, but as of recently, the past 2 weeks, I've become really reinvigorated, really proud of my portfolio here on eToro, and really, really proud of all of you guys, and appreciative for sticking it out with me, especially in this choppy waters here, and really having to see where we can all go together and what this portfolio has in store for us. Thank you for tuning in, guys. I'll see you all next time.